Hello, today we'd like to recommend an easy dish you can cook at home using JFC branded frozen prawn croquette. We'll be using the following ingredients: tomato sauce and spicy mayonnaise, sliced cheese singles, fried eggs, burger buns, and fresh vegetables. Using medium heat, heat up cooking oil in a pan to 170 to 180 degrees Celsius and fry for about 5 minutes. Spread tomato sauce on the burger bun. Layer with a fried egg, cheese, the prawn croquette, and some lettuce. Drizzle with a sauce mixture of tomato sauce and spicy mayonnaise and finish by topping with the burger bun. Aside from the croquette burger, there's lots of other delicious menu items like sandwiches that you can cook using frozen prawn croquette. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, thank you for coming for the Malaysia second night for today.